robbery or something like that, you should not be afraid to call Fairfax County Police. Call 911. Our police officers will come. They do not ask questions about your immigration status. They're there to keep you safe.
16% of the populations of both counties are Hispanic.
Now, just recently, the Trump administration began fining those in the country illegally who sought sanctuary. That practice has been legal for years, but rarely, if ever, used before.
Turning now to today's heat and storms. They did not stop Drone Track 7 from taking to the skies. Gorgeous right there. This is what it saw this morning over the Rappahannock River in Fredericksburg. You don't see that many clouds out there in that shot right there, but I know that they did eventually develop.
They did. We haven't seen as much today as yesterday, which is, of course, nice, but it's just been hot. That is a gorgeous, gorgeous
You just
shot
don't
there.
feel that kind of heat thing going on.
I'd love to be on the river on a day like today.
Wouldn't it be good in the river? Be even better than on the river. Yeah, let me take you out. I want to show you a beautiful shot here as we start you out from our tower camera. I'm time-lapsing this tonight, so you're going to see a couple of things. Off to the left-hand side of your screen, that's the remnants of that lone shower that moved through Fairfax County. Off in the distance here, this is a thunderstorm that's currently over Berryville, which I'll show you. And then in front of it, nice clear skies. So all this put together later on tonight, I want you to tune on in if you can. At 11 o'clock, we're going to run that for you, and it should be a gorgeous sunset time-lapse shot. 89 right now in D.C. It's 92 in Chantilly, so the numbers have come down a couple of degrees. We have some low 80s around Martinsburg, and that's because of the rain cooled air, but still feeling like the mid-90s here at 619 because the humidity levels are so high. So a quick tour. Here's that shower that moved through Fairfax. Still kind of lingering on. A new one starting to develop there around Chantilly. No lightning and thunder. Certainly a bigger storm out here outside of Berryville, as I mentioned, as it continues to slide out over the Blue Ridge Mountains. And notice the lightning strikes over the last just couple of frames. The storm's growing a little bit stronger. We'll keep an eye on that. Not totally out of the question to see an isolated strong to severe storm. And then also a little cluster south of Front Royal approaching Washington along 211 there as we look into parts of Rappahannock and Culpeper County. We'll watch both of those. Fauquier County as well, but nowhere near as many showers as we had yesterday. Marginal risk tonight. Storm Prediction Center will update that at 9 o'clock tonight. I'm pretty sure they're going to take that down to general thunderstorms, but we have that marginal risk up tomorrow as well, and that means some isolated to strong storms are going to be possible. So I'll walk you through tonight. Some isolated showers. They wind down after the sun goes down tonight. It's a very similar forecast. Dry this evening and it will overnight, and it will be sticky and it will be warm tomorrow. Out the door, 7, 8 o'clock, we are dry. We have some clouds, but watch this. By noon and into the early afternoon, we see showers and storms fire up again, and I think some of those at least have a good chance of falling over the National Mall for the parade or, of course, for the fireworks, but it won't be continuous. It is not going to rain for 8 straight hours tomorrow during the day and during the evening hours, but where we have these showers, heavy rainfall, cloud-to-ground lightning strikes, and the gusty winds are going to be possible as well, and that trend goes into tomorrow evening as well. Fireworks most likely will be fine, at least just kind of playing the odds as to where these are going to pop up, but they're certainly in the forecast. So for tonight, 68 to 73, any early storms will end. It'll be warm and very humid, and then tomorrow we fire up the process again. Pop-up showers and storms, mainly afternoon, early evening. They will pass on by, and it's going to be another hot day, some low 90s. We're looking at that trend continuing right on into the weekend, guys.
All right, Bill, thanks very much. The Nationals have been on a roll lately, and now they have the pitcher of the month.
Our Chip Rear is live at Nats Park, where the game just got underway. Chip.
Yes, it is a wonderful scene here. As you can see behind me, fans still filing into their seats as they get ready for a great matchup tonight and perhaps tomorrow for the 4th of July. Stay with us.
Across the nation, people are joining PenFed Credit Union and getting more from their mortgages. We offer low rates and superior service to give our members the power to purchase their perfect home. And everyone is welcome to apply. Visit PenFed.org.
The 2019 Cadillacs are made for summer and made to move. Get 0% APR for 72 months plus $1,000 on a 2019 Cadillac Escalade, XT5, XT4, CT6, or CTS when you finance through GM Financial.